So you landed on this video because you want to hear a recap of Team Build Club. And I'm going to give it to you. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money, male, successful online entrepreneur, 6 to 7 figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, same as this one. And look, we're going to dive in and let you see the progress that I've been making with Team Build Club. Now, look, if you've been watching my videos, or if not, then go watch my videos, because I've actually been at this for, a little bit over a week. And now I want you to see just the progress I made in that amount of time. So let's go ahead and log in. Just going to log in. And as you can see, people are logging in as we speak. Look at Andrew Cleveland just registered. That's how this thing is. Like, look, you can see right here. Okay, people are signing in as we coming in. But let's go ahead and log in. People are signing up. So look, since I joined on the 10th. Okay, right now it's the 20th. So just 10 days ago, and I've already had 3,586 people sign up after me. You can see I've already earned over 648 euros. Okay, so that's over $650 that I've already earned. And remember, these are free to join. This is free to join. Free to join. I want to keep on stressing that, free to join. You see right now, you see 17,556 members total in this opportunity. And the nice thing is, once you bring somebody in, people are going to upgrade themselves. If you look down here at the bottom, you see people are upgrading themselves. Okay, these are just the last 5 things that just happened. You can see $20. I was paid for a sponsor bonus. I got $3 for a team commission on level 3. Okay, you get paid 10 levels. I got a $20 one for another sponsor bonus, a $60 for another one down level 3, and look down here, a $40 commission for a sponsor bonus. So as you can see, people are upgrading, and that's what you see right here with these numbers right here. 439, for gold. 439 people have upgraded to gold. 190 people have upgraded to platinum. 176 to diamond. You know why? It's because that when you upgrade, then you can actually earn in the pool. And that right there is huge, okay? The pool is the gold pool, platinum pool, and diamond pool. So you have to be on one of those levels in order for you to really maximize and get the most out of those. So when you be in the gold pool, okay, then you get the most out of that. And if you're in the platinum, you get the most out of that. So you'll be getting all the earnings at the end of the month. Now, the way that works is when people join and they upgrade, right? So basic is 25, silver is 100, it's 50, gold is 100, platinum is 200, diamond is 500. When people upgrade to these levels, right? Then what happens is a percentage of that 500 and 300 and all that goes into the gold pool, the platinum pool, and the diamond pool. Then at the end of the month, okay, so more goes in, a little going to gold, more going to platinum, more going to diamond, of course, right? And then at the end of the month, they're going to dispute it out to 176 diamonds if you're in the diamond pool, 190 platinums, whatever's in there. So let's say in a month's time, they accumulated $2,000 in the pool. Then that 2,000 is going to be divided by 176 people in the diamond. Or if it was 300 in the platinum, then that 300 is going to be divided by 190 and split out evenly. Okay, so that's the benefit in upgrading to those levels. All right. Other than that, the other benefit is the fact that you earn 20% of that commission. So when a person upgrades to diamond, you actually earn $100. Now, this is the cool part. As a free member, you earn half, which means as a free member, you would earn $50. So even as a free member, you are making money and you're building your downline right out the gate, okay? You can see right now, and when someone's talking to you about this, listen to somebody that's like got some skin in the game. Don't look up here, okay? Look at their status, and if you don't see it, they at least spend some money, gold, platinum, at the very least gold. I'll take what they're saying for a grain of salt. As you can see, I'm all in. I put my money where my mouth is, so I'm all in. I'll be doing another video where I'll show you how to stack so that you can take advantage of being a diamond and being a platinum or gold at the same time and being able to earn from multiple pools. So I'll do another video on that. But I want you to see that right here, the other benefit in going higher, okay, is the fact that when you go high, you get to take advantage of the buyer leads, okay? So what I mean by that is you go to my network and you see you got personal free members and you got personal paid members. Those people I put in, but then you also get a paid members from the system. And if you're high up, then you'll get paid members. Like, let's say I'm a diamond, right? So I'm going to get paid members that's platinum, gold, as well as diamond, silver, and basic. So anybody that comes in at those is going to be right here. Okay, and now you can see I got my paid downline right there, people that actually paid. Okay, so these are all paid members right here, as you can see, quite a bit. So you can reach out now to members that you know for a fact is actually spent money already, and and use that money coming to the system. So that says, well, wait a minute, if you spend money here, it's a high chance that you'll spend money elsewhere as well. You see what I'm saying? And that right there is where you get the benefit of being able to, talk to somebody that actually is qualified already, pre-qualified to actually be presented with an opportunity that you think that there's a high chance to actually spend money to be in. All right, so just wanted to give you that quick recap. I'm gonna keep on, jotting my journey. That way you can just go back to my first videos and just keep on watching them and see if it's really working and see, what I've been able to accumulate and where I've been at and if anything's converting for me or if I'm making money, so forth and so on. What I like is this is a program for the little guy. This is a program where anybody can come in and be a winner. Everybody can come in and share free, right? Who can't sell free? Who can't sell free 99? Anybody can sell free 99. If you can't sell free 99, then you ain't got no business being a marketer. It just is what it is. You guys just get out of sales right now. Just forget about it. Go do something else for your profession. We wasn't all meant to do all things. I wasn't meant to jump out of an airplane or a helicopter with a parachute on my back and just free fall. It just ain't me. It wasn't for me. But for somebody else, they love it, right? So same thing with this marketing. It ain't for everybody. So if you can't sell free, if you can't give away something for free, this ain't for you. All right. With that being said, if you're ready to get started with Team Build Club right now, then a couple things we're going to do here. Check this out. First, I want you to text leads, okay, to 702-553-3326, and then you'll get info. If you got questions, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. Love to answer any questions that you have. Okay. All right. Now look. If you want to get access to all my top passive income opportunities, okay, you want to get involved with what I got going on, then look above. You see that right there? That QR code, if you take your phone and put it over that phone and put it over that, then scan it. And then what you're going to get access to is all my top passive income opportunities. All right. All right, cool. All right, so if you haven't already done so, hit subscribe and also hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these type of videos. And you won't be left out, missing out, and end up having 3,587 people get ahead of you in line in Team Build. All right, appreciate you. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.